Hey everybody, it is January 20th of 2012 and this is the T-Rex cam right outside WJOB headquarters, and as you can see or barely see, we've gotten some more snow today. Snowstorm that they had been predicting, or blizzard, or whatever you want to call it. I think it's just a little snowstorm. Started around, I would say probably around the afternoon time today, and it's just been carrying on ever since. Definitely more than a few inches on the ground. I just came back from Phil, or the original John's Pizza with Phil Pacino. Saw a few Munster plow trucks over there. I've seen a few Hammond plow trucks, so everyone's out doing what they can. But this is going to be a continual thing tonight. They said that this snow is just going to carry on all through the night into tomorrow, and even part of tomorrow morning, afternoon, before it finally quits. So, you know, this isn't something that's just going to go away in another hour. So it's supposed to go all night long. Right now you're getting a shot at one of Smith Chevrolet's plowmen. He's trying to take care of their parking lot, get it all plowed for them. But yeah, good several inches on the ground. Roadways, to say it mildly, suck. To put it frank, the main roadways, Boulevard, Calumet, I went down Holman Avenue, they're all terrible. They're all rough. So you gotta motor them easy tonight. Right now, if you tune into WJOB, although by the time you watch this video, it's going to be long over, I'm sure, but Ashley Caleri's here holding down the reports on the news, on the weather. Michael D. Stewart's also here, Pat Renwick. We're all holding things down tonight, trying to keep the lowdown here as this storm continues on tonight. So this is T-Rex signing off.